So this is the typical type factorization question 3. Part A, x squared plus 8xy plus 16y squared. So 1 and 16 both are square numbers, so it makes us think about something square plus 2 something something plus something square. X inside to give x squared. 4y inside in order to give 16y squared. So we try x and 4y, and very important, double check, is that the same, is that consistent. If they're not the same, then you have to use cross method but not identity. 2 times 4 we got 8xy, so this one is correct writing method. So the answer is x plus 4y squared, bracket square. So in exam, of course, you don't need to write this step. I just try to explain why we have this kind of calculation. In part B, there should be a part which is exactly the same as part A. Makes you use your own result to replace this part. Even though if it is wrong, but by using part A answer, you can still get some marks. So it is x plus 4y bracket square and then minus 16. 2 terms here. Obviously, there is no common factor, but again, 16 is a very common number, which is something square, which is 4. So to calculate this, you need to prepare 2 brackets because you know it should be something plus something, something minus something. Be very careful. X plus 4y is the first item, x plus 4y. The second item is 4, so we write down 4 afterward. And then we determine whether the bracket is meaningful or not. This bracket will not affect it because outside is positive, so we just simply remove the inside bracket. This bracket next to it is positive, so again, we don't need to change anything when we remove the bracket. Sometimes if the bracket at the back, then you have to be very careful should you change the sign and multiply negative in each term. In this case, you just need to rewrite it again without any changes, then you finish the question.